Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and build this app, y'all. And I do apologize. I did go a little over, but I felt that this is content that you all needed to see, actually. All right. So we're going to go ahead and create the project. Okay. This was Unicorn. Unicorn, let's see, wallpaper. No, let's try HD wallpaper. Unicorn HD wallpapers. Okay, yes, you go with that. Okay, so we're going to create the project. Okay, and we're going to come to activities page. Audio player, custom page, email, maps, HTML, Google Play, Flickr, and so forth. There's so much you can do with Andromo. You know, so many different type of apps you can make, which I told you in the first video, actually. But let's go ahead and build this out real quick. We want the photo gallery app. So click that. Okay. Name your photo gallery. That's going to be the same name. Same name. Unicorn HD wallpapers. Okay. Unicorn HD wallpapers. You can put a subtitle there if you want. Keep the same as, across the board. Your description. Okay. Now, I'm going to give you a description template that you can use. And you can use this for any kind of app, really. Okay. As a matter of fact, let me show it to you. Basically, just fill in the blanks. Okay. Crystal's Wallpapers HD has the best Ultra HD, high resolutions, so forth. But for Crystal Wallpapers, you just put Unicorn Wallpapers. Okay. So, as a matter of fact, we're going to use this. And this is something that you can put in the description, or you can just leave it blank, actually. Okay. But for this, we're going to put it in here. Okay. But you can, that description, you can just alter that if you want. Just put Unicorn Wallpapers. Unicorn Unicorn Wallpapers. And actually, the template I'm going to show you, or give you, actually, it's going to already have the blank there. You just fill in the blanks. Okay. So wherever Unicorn Wallpapers is, you're going to put Unicorn. Okay. See the dimension there, sunset. Okay. All right. Let's move on. I'm trying to hurry through this, y'all. Okay. Build this activity. Okay. We don't want to do that yet. Let's go to theme. Make settings. Hold on. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Theme. Okay. Keep theme. Okay. You can make adjustments here. I'm going to leave this ninja stuff to you for now, because we want to go ahead and build this wallpaper app. Okay. I know you're all anxious, and I am anxious too. Okay. So, for the purpose of this video right here, I'm not going to get too in depth, but in here, keep that the same. Feature image. Keep that the same. Keep that the same. Insert photo. Okay. Actually, we're going to leave that the same too. Let's go to toolbar. Okay. We're going to leave that the same right there, because we want unicorn. Matter of fact, let's change this. Because I want Unicorn Wallpapers to show right there. But I put HD. Well, we'll leave it for now. Okay. Details. We want enable photo sharing. Yeah, we can leave that. Show description. We don't need that. Show index page. Do we need? Yeah, we need that. Okay. All right. Show index page. Trying to think what that is actually. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, here we have details. We want to add photo. So we're gonna start adding our photos here. Title, you really don't have to put anything there, because you know this process you'll continue to do that for all hundreds of, well, let's not say hundreds, but 50 or more wallpapers. You know, just do something like that. Description, you don't have to describe it. Let's get this puppy going. Okay. Here we're just going to put our images in. Okay. We want our flip images because they have the filter on them. Okay. Ready to go. So put that in there. Okay. Create. And that's your wallpaper right there. Okay. Let's add another one. Okay. And actually you can drag and drop these. Okay. Create. Okay. And you see that one, I ain't put a description in there. Okay. That's, you know, if you want to do that, so you know what picture, what image. Sometimes you may get something from Google Play. They may say this image is non-compliant, and you need to find out where it is. That's where the description will come in handy. Okay. All right. Let's add another one. Matter of fact, I'm going to do this. And I wish they had bulk uploading. I think at one time they did. But anyway, let's do this. Did that work? Yep. Boom. Add photo. Let's do the next one. See how easy that is? Okay. Let's do the next one. Oops. Add photo. Let's do the next one. Okay. And actually, it's already putting a name on them. Okay. Your file name. Let's do another one. Okay. All right. Let's go back. Take a few of these. I don't want to duplicate them. What's that unicorn doing the dat? All right, put another one. Okay, now you see how they're filling up? These are all your wallpaper apps. Okay, now like I said, I'm not going to show you the ninja stuff right now. We'll do that a little later. Okay, although I kind of want to show you right now. But we'll spend a lot of time doing that. But we're not going to do it right now. So let's fill this up. Okay. Create. Okay. Add a photo. Put another one in there. Now sometimes you'll add two. And what you do in that case, that's where it comes in handy actually. Yeah. But anyway, just find your duplicate. See, I think I got two of this one. All right, you can just go ahead and just trash one of them. All right, let's see. There we go. All right. So, add photo. Do y'all see how easy this is? Okay. And like I said, people that hang around usually get the best training. I found that true in all webinars. Because, you know, people that lose interest fast, you know, they're really not into it. But people that hang around, you know, they find it fascinating. And like I said, when I first learned how to make these apps, I thought this is fascinating. When I was doing it, and I love doing it. Now, by nature, I'm like an introvert type person. You know, I just like to work alone, you know, sometimes. Although, you know, I can't be social, of course. I was a school teacher for 8 years. So I taught kids, and I love kids, you know, and, you know, but for the most part, when I'm doing work like this, I put my music on, and I'm making apps, man. Okay. See, that's all the images we got right now. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to fill it up so we can duplicate it. I mean, yeah. So I'm going to put some duplicates in here. Oops. Okay, create. Oops, cancel. All right, create. All right. Just so I can fill this up. Okay. There's another one. Okay. Let's get about 6 more, I guess. Oops, add photo first. Okay, move that over there. Bada boom. Add photo. Oh, no. No. Okay. Whew. I thought that went to the web tab. I'm gonna do these all over. Do the whole thing all over. And I've done that before. Okay? I'm like, man. Sometimes hours worth of work. Sometimes days worth of work. But, you know, that goes in territory. It's all a learning experience. You know, it's just you're learning to do it a better way. And you're learning what not to do. I'm going to tell you a story about how I learned to get so good at making so many apps on any platform, especially on this platform. What I did, I sat up and for 2 days, I went through every single setting, thing and everything on this. And I built the app, downloaded it, looked at it on my phone. And I said, okay, I'm gonna change that. So I did that for each and every function, everything, 2 days. And that's how I learned how to do this. Now I'm gonna show you some more ninja stuff. Okay, let's put this one again. Oops. Let's do this one again. Okay. But you try not to have duplicate wallpapers. Like I said, I'm just doing this just for, you know, the purposes of building this app. Okay. Now, that's it. Those are wallpapers. Let's go to design. Okay. Primary color. This is purple color. You can change this. You can get custom color. You can even put a custom toolbar. Okay. So let's just change the color up a little bit. All right, let's make it pink. All right. Accent color. You know, let's leave it like that. Body, material light, material dark, custom. You can customize that. We're just going to leave it light for now. Okay. Image settings. Background image. We don't need a background image for this one, what we got here. We don't need any of this, so just leave that alone. Okay. You can just leave all this alone. That's ninja stuff. Okay. I'll tell you how to do that at a later date. Let's go to dashboard. Uh-oh. Am I saving this? Okay. Now, I meant to tell you this. It's good to save these changes after each. Wait a minute. Oh, man. After each tab you go to. Okay. It's good to save these changes. Because, as a matter of fact, where are my wallpapers? I can't find my wallpapers. Uh-oh. This is not funny. Okay, there we go. All right, save change. Okay. All right, design, save change. Oh, okay. I guess I did already. Okay, I did. Dashboard. Okay, I guess I did. Show dashboard. No, we don't want to show the dashboard. We want to go. We want this to show our wallpaper as soon as the app opens up. Okay. So for that, just put no dashboard. Now, if you want to add other functions, like say a Facebook page or whatever, then it would look like this. It would have this as your unicorn wallpapers, then another tab for a Facebook page or whatever. But, you know, that's ninja stuff. This is the quickest way to do it. Navigation. Okay, enable the navigation drawer. That's that pop-out thing. Start app with drawer open. That means it's going to start with the drawer open. Okay. Enable navigation drawer. Now you see that? That went away. Okay. And that navigation drawer is basically the about and so forth, description. I tell you what, just for this, we're not going to do it. We just want the wallpapers right now. That's all we want. Save changes. Okay. Settings. Okay. App name. I want to change that. The Unicorn Wallpapers. HD. So I want that whole thing to show. Now, if I enable the navigation drawer, it wouldn't. The whole thing wouldn't show. Okay. All right. App icon. Okay. I'm going to tell you how to make your icons. Probably in the next training. We're going to call it quits for the day on this one. But anyway, your app icon is what your icon is going to look like. I'm going to have to show you how to make those later. Your license agreement. Okay. You don't need to show that. Launch notice. That's other details. I'll tell you about that a little later. Monetization. Okay. This is where you're going to put your ads. This is where we're going to make our money, y'all. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a complete and full training on these, but not right now. Okay. Now, it says this. So, you really got to upgrade your account, to take advantage of this. As a free user, you can turn off ads in your app and use in your app or use any of the features below. That's what I want you to upgrade. Okay. So when you build this app, when you have this app up, it's going to have their ads in it. Okay. Yeah, I believe it's going to have their ads in it. Yeah, it says because you cannot turn off the ads in your app. So it's going to have their ads in it. Okay. So anyway, just leave that for now. Services. Okay. Firebase Analytics. I'll talk about that a little later. One Signal. That's like push notifications where you can send push notifications. You get the notification on top of your phone. You can send your users that on top of their phone. That's a marketing. That's so ninja. Because I was doing that. When I had a breaking news app. Whenever news happened. Well, not whenever news happened, but I would send like a notification every day, one a day. You don't want to spam nobody with those notifications, but, just something important. Send them once or twice a day. But that's push notification where you get the messages on their phone. Okay? All right. Save changes. And let's build this app out. All right. Now, the way Andromo works, they build the app and they email you the file. And what you do is you install the file on your phone. Okay? I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. But it says this. Take a moment to review information. Use, let's make this big. Make it bigger. All right. Take a moment to review the information you specified on other steps and make sure you're happy with your choices. Then click Build button right here. Okay? Let's go ahead and build it. Now, sometimes it's quick. Sometimes it's a little slower. Okay? As a matter of fact, let me take myself off of here. I forgot I was up there. Let's make me smaller. Okay? Matter of fact, I can just take myself off. Let's do it like that. Okay? All right, queued for Bill. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and check my email to see if I got it yet. But usually it will show up with this new platform that they're using. It'll show up right here. Okay, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my phone to my computer actually. Or what I could do is check the email on my phone and install it that way. Matter of fact, I'm going to do it that way. But there's two ways to do it. Okay. You can, hook your USB cord up to your computer, to your phone. Or what you can do is just go to your email that you signed up with Andromo, and when Andromo sends you that link, go ahead and click that link, and it'll install to your phone. So in this case, is this today? January 8th? Yeah, here it is right here. Okay, this is the file. Okay, so they emailed it to me. Okay, so you can download it to your computer, or you can go to your phone. In this case, I'm going to go to the phone. But you can download the app to your computer. I'm going to do it that way. And let's put it in our unicorn folder. And let's give it a name. Matter of fact, here the bills right here. Okay, I already made a folder for bills. So we'll say this is a test app, whatever you want to name it, so you know what it is. Test 2 unicorn. Okay, let's try that. Test 2 unicorn. All right. And what I'm going to do, matter of fact, I'm going to show you this, because this is one way to do it. This is a slow way, but I want you to know all avenues as far as it goes. Okay. And actually, this how we do it a while back. Okay. So now I have my phone connected to my computer. See, let me put my screen back up. Okay. Put my screen back up. Oh, I guess I was, I was on all the time. Was I? Yeah, I was. All right. Okay, but both are showing. There I am. And I got this cold beer waiting on me. Well, it's warm now. And I'm sorry, y'all, I had to take a drink to get the courage to do this webinar. Because this is my first webinar. But anyway, yeah. Okay. Let's put that back up there. And I got the lock on my phone. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, this is my phone, as you can see. Okay. This is my phone. I'm going to, let's see, let's shorten my screen. I'm going to find my my bills. Okay. And there it is right there. Test 2 unicorn, right? That's the APK file. So I'm just going to open my phone, and I'm going to install it to the root of my phone. Okay. Drag it over there. Okay. Now the APK file is on my phone. Now what I have to do next is install that APK file to my phone. Okay. So actually I can minimize that. And I'm on my phone now. As you can see, let me see if my phone's showing up. Let's make it bigger. Let's make this big. Okay, can you see my phone? Okay. I'm going to go to my file manager on my phone. Okay. And I'm going to look for that file. Brother Randy, everyone, Brother Randy's still with me. Let's see. Okay. He's still with, well, he joined. All right. But anyway, I don't know if he's still with me or not. I do remember he told me earlier he had some other important business that he had to take care of. But anyway, see if I can show you the file. See, and my screen is cracked. Maybe I shouldn't show it to you. But anyway, it says Test 2 Unicorn APK. Okay. I'm going to tap that, and it's going to say install. It's going to say, do you want to install an update to this existing application? Because I got it on my phone before. Yes. I'm going to install it. Okay. It's going to say app installed. Then what you're going to do is it's going to say done or open. I want to open it. That's not the update. No, not at all. Not at all. Because I got more wallpapers than that. Okay, so we have a function of malfunction here. Okay, I think this bill is from another time, but this is the one I did the other day. Let's see. Let me go back. Activities. And actually, this is pink. This one is purple. So this is one from the other day. Ours is pink, remember? Because we're looking at it here, right here. Okay? So, queued for build. I guess it's still building. Okay? It is still building. Oops. Let me move this back down here. Okay. It's still building. So what I'm going to do is uninstall this app from my phone. Just to make sure that that doesn't happen again. But you all should be congratulated because you built your first app. You built it. That's part of the process. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Right? So, just enjoy the process. It haven't built it yet. Build. Queue for build. Let me try it again. I think that app is still on my phone. Matter of fact, let me uninstall these other apps though, since I'm here. Okay. Okay. Install these other apps. Okay. All right. So I'm still trying to figure out what's going on. You know, my email back up. And even, you know, even Andromo tells you, sometimes it takes a while. It just says queue for build. And right here, it says it right here. It's highlighted. Note, building your app can take some time, depending on how busy our servers are. It usually only takes 5 to 10 minutes, but it can take as long as an hour on a very busy day, which is true. Okay? So Andromo, a lot of people use this platform. So I guess we're just going to wait. Let's see. Yeah, that was from the other day. Sure was. But usually it'll be this first email up here. It'll be the first email. Because it'll be brand new. So sometimes it takes a while. I wonder if I can pause this. Well, I don't know. But anyway, we're not going to waste time. We're going to use all the time that we have. And I don't mind waiting. What about y'all? Okay. Once again, I'd like to thank y'all for attending my first webinar. And really, I guess we could go ahead to the icon building, because you're going to need to do that. See, right now, the icon for your app looks like this, okay? Because we can put an icon there. But to make your screenshots and your images, there's a few different techniques that I use and a few different builders that I use. And actually, I've incorporated a new one, which is Canva, and that's really, really easy. The basic icon for the Google Play Store and for any app store is 512 by 512. So I'm going to try something real quick while this is building. I'm going to go to my Canva account. And we're going to try and build our app icon. Okay. While we're waiting on our app to build. And see, once you get a pattern or a routine going with building your apps, you'll be putting them up like this, man. Really. Okay. Once you get good at that task, you're gonna do another task. Okay, and so on and so on. To you know, you're gonna be a ninja at this. Now you're learning this. We're doing this a slow way because we're doing it together. But if I'm on my own, and probably if you're on your own, you're gonna speed through this. Especially if you. Matter of fact, I would suggest put up 10 wallpaper apps. To where you know the ninja way, how to get your folders, set up and everything. How to build your icons quickly, how to make your screenshots. While one task is taking time to do something, you're on another task. And once you got your routine going, you're gonna be a ninja, man, just like an assembly line. I'm telling you from experience. Okay, let's try. Create design, custom dimensions, 512, 512, okay. That's our basic icon size. Let's get one of our quick way to do this. Let's get one of our unicorn images. You know how to use this one. Why? I don't know. Why'd you do it, Chris? Okay. All right. 512 by 512. That doesn't quite fit there, but then again, what we're going to do is put this in Canva. Shoot. I want to get it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let's do it like that. But how we can get that in there? There's so much we can do with that Canva. We can go with that. Okay. We can go with that. There we got our app icon. Okay. All right. This is for demonstration purposes, but that's our icon. let's download that. And we're going to make a folder. We're going to make another folder. This is our unicorn folder. Icons. Icons. Unicorn. Wallpapers. Keep everything consistent. The same name. I think HD, right? Okay. In other words, so you know anyway. Okay. Oh. Copy. Folder. I'm gonna put that in the folder. Right? Okay. Let's name this oops. Did it? Oh. Oh, it didn't go yet. Okay. Alright. Alright, the name of this we'll just call this Icon 1. Icon 1 Unicorn. Okay. And we want to put it in the icons folder. Alright. So we got our icon and queued for build. And see, that's one thing, while it's building, you can't do anything. Which I hate sometimes. Because see, actually what we could do is put our icon in here. But it's not going to let, well, it may let us. Let's find out. Let's find out. It did. Okay, that's our icon. All right. So we can at least got that. But it's actually going. It's actually not going to be on this build that it's building now. But we got it. So save changes. Okay, monetization. We're going to go back there and build. It's still building. All right. So we started at 7:30. The time is now 9:13. Okay, so we went a little over. But I think what I'm going to do, let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and wrap this up. I know you all have things to do, and I'm going to reserve this for the next training. But basically, this is an example of a wallpaper app that we built. So with that being said, I want to thank everyone for participating, and I'd like to thank Randy because he took time out to look at it. And I wish I could get, the people that, my old schoolers, to participate on this webinar, because we would have a grand old time with stories about our the money we made, and stories about making apps and so forth. But, at another time, possibly. I'd like to thank you all for attending this webinar, and everything you need to get started will be in the description box, actually. The Andromo trial, 14-day. I'm going to put the description template in, and let's see what else that I promised that I would give you. Everything I said I was going to give you, I'm going to put it somewhere. You're going to be able to access it somewhere. Okay, probably on YouTube, but I'll leave the link of where it's going to be at. Okay, so with that being said, thank you all. And, it will mean the world to me if you would send a review or write a comment and just let me know if you got value from this. Let me really, because, I value what you all say. And like I always say, let's build this together. this is just the beginning. You know, we're going to take this thing to the next level. You know, a friend of mine said, I sent him an email. I said, I'm doing a webinar. He said, no, actually, he said this before, a few days ago. My app Ninja has resurfaced because I haven't made any apps. I haven't made any, you know, trainings or anything, you know. So anyway, you know, I thought that was funny. Said I resurfaced. But, yeah, as I said before, you know, I'm not new to this. This is what I do. And I'm going to show you my YouTube channel. I have two, actually, one for building apps and one for other stuff. But anyway, let me get to it. Matter of fact, what I'll do, I'll show you some apps that I made, actually. Let's see. This is my Mobile App Mogul channel, but I want to show you some of the apps that you can make. And of course, you can browse my YouTube channel a little later.
In this video, I'd like to discuss about other alternatives to the Google Play Store market.
But I just hope it went through without any glitches. That's the main thing. Okay. I hope this video didn't have any glitches. I hope it didn't. I hope it didn't. Anyway, videos. These are my apps. Guess the car logo quiz. I got over 300 car logos in there. Guess the rapper. Word Finder. I installed LA Rams keyboard, Michigan keyboard, LA Lakers keyboard theme, rock band metal quiz, breaking news headlines app, Aquaman wallpapers, Cristiano Ronaldo wallpapers I told you about earlier. Those are big. Radio station, R&B radio station app, Christian wallpapers, police scanner. Wow, all of these are mine. Bible study tools, guide to complete Ninja. You can make guide apps. You can make ebooks, all kind of stuff, y'all. All kind of stuff. Angels wallpaper, ringtones. You can make ringtone apps, podcast apps, oodles and oodles of apps with Andromo, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so with that. I like to bid everyone adieu. As far as, you know, that app, like I said, I'll show it, you know, when it's finished building. Oh, okay, there it is. All right. Okay. Okay, we have the, let's see. Yeah, that's it. All right. Now go to this link right here. And we're going to click download it. Well, we're going to download it. Okay. And let's go to builds. Let's call this test. Matter of fact, we're going to call it test 2. Okay. Do you want to replace it? Yes. So this is the new one. And it should be pink, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and, where's my phone right there? My unicorn folder, build. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, test 2 unicorn. Okay. All right, now that's on my phone right now. So I'm going to go to my file manager on my phone. Let's make this screen a little bigger. Okay. There it is right there on my cracked phone screen. You can see it right there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. Click it. Install. And you can actually use these wallpapers right now. You can put them on your phone. which is what I'm going to do. Okay, and there it is. That's your wallpaper app that you made. Okay. Now let's install a wallpaper. Like I said, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah. Anyway, let's install a wallpaper. To install a wallpaper, all you do is tap it, press and hold, set picture as, and you're gonna get this message. Okay. So I'm actually not going to install it, but I like how it looks. Okay, I really do. Okay. So that's it. All right, we made our app. Congratulations. Okay.